Want to ditch that long, clunky Wix URL and get a professionalic domain name absolutely free? Let's do it. First, you'll need a premium plan with Wix. Click on Upgrade to Premium in the website dashboard. You'll see various premium plans. Most of these plans come with a free domain voucher for the first year. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Factors include bandwidth, storage, and other included features. Make sure you select the yearly subscription to be eligible for the free domain offer. Once you've chosen your plan, proceed through the checkout process and complete your payment. After your payment is processed, you'll see an option to get a free domain. Click on it to claim your free domain. Now, type in your desired domain name. Make sure it's relevant to your website and easy to remember. If the domain is available, select it. If not, Wix will suggest alternatives. Choose the one you like. Fill in your contact information for the domain registration. This is a standard process, so just provide the required details accurately. And that's it. Wix will connect your new, free domain to your website. It might take a few hours for the changes to propagate, but soon your website will be accessible through your custom domain. Now your website looks professional.